Asma bint Abi Bakr, a young girl, and Fatima bint Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, they didn't hesitate. They didn't say we are girls and we cannot be part of this movement. If you know what Asma radiallahu anha did to help the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam and her father to make the hijrah, she took the lead to support the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. She was involved. She didn't say, no, I'm girl, I'm supposed to be at home. She said, I'm going to be part of this movement. I'm going to be part of this new movement to change the world to a better place. She motivated, she moved, and she was side by side with her father, with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, moving from her home toward the cave of Thawr and supporting and protecting the movement of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companion Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu. The women and the young girls in Mecca, they said, we're not going to be what the Jahiliyyah people want us to be. We're not going to be as the leader of the mushrikeen they want to be. We want to be a full human being, and we want to follow the teaching of the Prophet ﷺ and to create a better situation for the women in Arabia. We want them to be respected. They want to be part of this movement that's going to stop the wa'd al-banat, killing innocent girls without any sin, just because it's a shame for them to have girls. They said, no, we're not going to be part of this. We're going to be part of this movement of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and we're going to stand up for the truth. And we're not going to say we don't care. We're going to care, and this is why we're going to be with the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam.